Hello Year 7. This is a video to explain the video production project for this year's Science Talent Search competition. Now, some of you may choose to produce a video as your project or your assignment. There are a few things you need to be mindful of if you choose this option. One is that you need to have some skills already with video editing and be able to access some programs that allow you to crop and edit the video in an impactful way, so in a way that makes the video exciting to watch. You also need to choose a topic that actually lends itself very well to making a video. So those that include motion and colour and can be made engaging will lend themselves very well to video production, whereas things that are a little bit more static tend to do less well or look less visually appealing if you make a video of them. So think very carefully about whether video suits your interests. Make sure that you include science content. So it's not just a video editing project, it must also include some science, and you need to be very clear about the content that's included within your video. Okay, just pay close attention to the information given to you by the Science Talent Search, because there are some specific requirements. So in particular, you need to make sure that your video is produced in a format that is supported by the Science Talent Search. So that can be found up here. You must make it innovative, so therefore a novel. So you can't simply video yourself lighting a Bunsen burner as it says here. Because that's been done many times before. So it needs to have a point of difference, and your video needs to be able to stand out from the crowd. You need some technical ability, and be mindful that this can take a long time to produce. So it might involve more out of hours, out of school time than some of the other projects will do. Some of the skills that they'll be looking for are things like editing and music and commentary or voice overlay, time-lapsing, zooming, fading, all those kinds of things. But make sure that you've got a good quality audio and you're able to record your video on a device that's appropriate and provides a good quality product at the end of it. It must be original, and you can't use anything that is obtained from the internet. That's no images and no video clips that you've found. Everything needs to be made yourself. You need credits at the end of the video. So just like a movie, at the end you'll see the actors listed and the director and the producer. What you need to do is list all the people involved and all the resources that you've used at the end of your video. You need to make sure that it's saved onto a USB, but that's not too bad. List of credits. The timing, that's what I wanted to tell you, that it must not exceed 5 minutes, which sounds like a long time and initially will feel like a long time, but it is easy to go past that. If it goes past, it can't be entered into the competition. Check the rubric carefully before you decide to do the video. So once you've got an idea and you think this will lend itself very well to making a video, then have a look carefully at this list within your booklet, and then open the rubric in Student Resources in your Year 7 Science team. Have a look at that and make sure that you can meet the rubric before you begin producing, because what you don't want to do is get halfway through and then realise, actually, I need to swap this for a poster or a photography. Okay, good luck.